Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Freaks. We will explore Notion, a highly versatile workspace tool, against Freaks, which will consider a more specialized application. Our discussion will cover their core functionalities, customization options, and how each might best serve different user needs. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which platform could be your ideal choice for productivity and organization. Notion stands out as an all-in-one workspace, allowing you to manage notes, tasks, wikis, and databases seamlessly. Its strength lies in its incredible flexibility, offering thousands of templates and extensive customization to build almost any system you can imagine. Teams can collaborate effectively, sharing pages and projects, making it a powerful hub for diverse workflows and information management across various departments. In contrast, let's consider Freaks as a tool designed for a very specific purpose, perhaps excelling in one particular domain like advanced project tracking or highly detailed data analysis. While it might not offer Notion's breadth, its depth in its niche could provide unparalleled features and streamlined workflows for users with those precise requirements. This specialization often means a steeper learning curve, but potentially greater efficiency for dedicated tasks. Ultimately, the better tool depends entirely on your individual or team's needs. If you require a flexible, adaptable platform for a wide array of tasks, Notion's generalist approach with its vast customization is likely your best bet. However, if your workflow demands deep, specialized functionality in a particular area, a tool like Freaks, with its focused features, might offer superior performance. Consider trying both to see which aligns perfectly with your operational style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.